Welcome to the VTHR Employee Self-Service Overview. VTHR is the state of Vermont's secure web-based human resource information system that provides a means for employees to view and manage personal, benefit, and compensation information. In this video, we'll review the features and functionality available to you through the Employee Self-Service. In Employee Self-Service, you can view and complete timesheets, view and update personal information, view pay statements, view leave balances, manage your direct deposit accounts, search and apply to job openings. There are several ways employees can get to the VTHR login page. One of the most common methods is through the Department of Human Resources website. From the home page, click on the VTHR Login Here widget. The user ID to log into VTHR is your 5-digit employee ID. The password for your initial login is a default password which will log you into VTHR, but will require you to create a new password. The initial login default password is your first name with the first letter capitalized, then the middle 2 digits of your Social Security number, followed by your last name with the first letter capitalized. For example, new employee Greg Scott, whose Social Security number is 008-12-3456, has a default password of Greg12Scott. Your default password will expire immediately when you sign into your account. To log in, type in your 5-digit employee ID. Next, type in your default password. Then, click the Sign In button. The initial login will require you to change your password. The password expired page will be displayed when you click on the Sign In button. Click on the Click Here to Change Your Password link to go to the Change Password page. Changing your password can be done in 4 simple steps, but before we change your password, let's review the VTHR password requirements. Your VTHR password must be a minimum of 8 characters long, must include at least 1 number, should include at least 1 capital letter, should not contain spaces. To get started changing your password, first type in your current default password in the Current Password field. Second, type in the new password in the New Password field. Third, retype your new password in the Confirm Password field. Finally, click Change Password. You will receive a confirmation that your password was changed successfully. Click the OK button in the Password Saved confirmation message to continue. Although you are now logged into VTHR, you must sign out of VTHR to complete the initial login change password process. When you click on Sign Out, you will be taken back to the Employee Self-Service Sign-In page. Sign into your account using your 5-digit employee ID and your new password. Once you click the Sign In button, you will now be logged into your VTHR account. Once logged into VTHR, you will be on the VTHR landing page, also known as the home page. From the landing page, you can navigate within your Employee Self-Service account by clicking on the Main Menu link seen at the top of the screen. The Main Menu link will display a list of folders and pages available to you. Where you see a folder icon, this means there are additional pages within that folder. When navigating through the sections or pages of your Employee Self-Service account, a breadcrumb will appear at the top of the page. This breadcrumb details the navigation to the different pages within your account. If you want to navigate back a page, you can click on the breadcrumb to take you to that page. You can also click on the Home icon to go back to your VTHR landing page. Before we get started reviewing Employee Self-Service, let's show you how to set up My System Profile by clicking on the My System Profile listed in the main menu. There are passwords for everything these days, and sometimes we forget them. VTHR has a feature where you can set up your own forgotten password help. To get started, click the Change or Set Up Forgotten Password help link. On the Change or Set Up Forgotten Password help page, use the drop-down arrow in the question field to view the available questions. After the question is selected, type in the answer in the response field. Once your response is entered, click the OK button, which will save the password help information and return to the General Profile Information page. Before completing your My System profile, it is important you enter an email address where VTHR will send a Forgot Password Reset email. Select the Primary Email Account box. If left unchecked, VTHR will not recognize this address as the email to forward forgot password notifications. Use the menu drop-down to select an email type. Next, in the email address field, type in the email address where you would receive forgot password notifications. Be sure to review the email address and that it is complete and correct. Then click the Save button. Whenever you are done using VTHR, be sure to fully log out by clicking the Sign Out link at the top right side of the page. Let's take a quick tour of the different folders and pages in your employee self-service. First, your timesheet. The navigation begins with the main menu, then self-service. The image seen here is the navigation to your timesheet. We will not be covering how to complete your timesheet in this video, as your HR administrator or supervisor will show you this process. Next, we will navigate to where you can view and/or access your personal information pages. Here in the Personal Information folder, you will see the different pages containing personal information that you can view and update. We will now navigate to the pages that contain payroll and compensation information. Here in the Payroll and Compensation folder, you will see where you can view your paycheck, HR advice, and other important payroll-related items, such as W-4 information and direct deposit. Next, we will navigate to the Benefits folder, which contains additional folders and pages where all your benefits information resides. Our final navigation is to our Career page, where job openings are listed. The Careers page is where you as an employee can search and apply for jobs. We hope this VTHR Employee Self-Service Overview video has given you a good start to understanding the features of employee self-service. Welcome to the team!